Right guys, welcome back. Just a little job I'm going to do today. I thought I'd film it for you. It's with these rear windows in the Shogun. Someone, by the looks of it, has tried to wrap it or something, but cocked it up and shrunk. So they've spray painted over the gaps and Sharpie as well, by the looks of it, to try and stop the light getting through or stop people looking through. Doesn't bother me from inside, but you can see it from the outside. It's a bit annoying getting people peering through these gaps. So all I'm going to do is get a bit of gloss black wrap and just wrap the outside of it. This is the other window. Not quite as bad, but you can see here it's all starting to peel a little bit, and someone's tried to spray it with spray paint by the looks of it. So I'm just going to sort that out by wrapping the outside rather than the inside. Don't know what this is. I think it's some sort of reverse sensor thing, which is their parking assist system. Yeah, parking assist system, if I can say it right. But I don't think any of that's wired in, so don't need it anyway, because I've got a little reverse camera on the back. So, but yeah, I'm not too worried about this because I'm just going to wrap the outside. So. Right, so a little look inside. Look at that, much better. No light getting in now compared to what it was like. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Just got a few little air bubbles to get out, but I'm really not that bothered about them. Looks alright. I'm tempted to peel this old wrap off. I don't know, I might just leave it. Right, now to do the other side.